It might feel like old world wine country, but this sun-soaked stretch of stunning Texas hill country is home to Becker Vineyards. A picturesque estate where the ancient art of winemaking, a time-honored tradition, meets with modern technology and expert attention to detail. All to create that magical, mythical nectar of the gods. Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that lovely?
Becker's is my favorite vineyard in this whole area, and we've tried a lot.
Meet the Becker family and winemaker John Leahy.
Here in a couple of weeks, we'll be doing our hands-on harvest where we'll pick these, and then it's up to me not to mess it up.
Oh, yeah. I'm not worried. Together, they've teamed up to create Texas wine that competes on the world stage.
Our Viognier scored with French judges in a blind tasting above all of the French Viogniers.
Wow. And that's a French wine. Wines that hold their own against the mighty California Cabernet.
This year, our wines made by John Leahy won 4 double gold medals in San Francisco, all Texas fruits.
Dr. Richard Becker and his wife Bunny are true pioneers of Texas winemaking.
You know, we were the first vineyard to plant Viognier in Texas. And, you know, Viognier...
Award-winning Viognier you have. But before all the medals and worldwide acclaim, it all started with the Becker's dream for a humble hill country escape.
We were looking for a little cabin on 1 acre with no yard work. The next thing I knew, somebody said, "We're putting in a vineyard."
The whole family pitched in to plant those first few acres, including the Becker's son, Joe.
I remember being picked up from school one day, and where are we going this spring break? Oh, well, we're going up to Fredericksburg to plant grapes. And
oh, fun! That first harvest in 1995 produced about 2,500 cases and laid the foundation for what's now one of Texas' most prolific wineries. Today, Becker Vineyards makes nearly 100,000 cases a year, and Becker wines can be seen on wine lists all over the country. What is it like as a family to work together in the business?
Well, I kind of have to defer to them when we're doing our wine blending.
And if you believe that.
No, I've heard Bunny's blend is often what ends up in the bottle. Who gets the final say?
You know, it's a little bit of a consensus. Do you agree with that, Bunny?
I would say Bunny gets the final say.
let's stay out of that.
Now, that family business sprawls across a majestic 42 acres of vineyards, complete with a barrel room, library wine cave for exclusive tastings, and the first underground cellar in Texas. What's the oldest bottle back here?
Oh, gosh, I think we've...
95.
95?
Mm-hmm.
Then, the tasting room. It's where you'll want to soak in all those earthy aromas. The 2015 Malmsey is a sweet Madeira-style wine, very special, and even more so because the label is a reproduction of a painting of Bunny Becker, done by her father. Paired with Bunny's favorite chocolate chip banana cake, it doesn't get much sweeter than this.
This is a reserve Merlot from a number of Texas Merlot growers. People who taste it say, this can't be Merlot. Find out.
So Merlot obviously does well in the Texas heat. Wow, cheers to Merlot in Texas.
Cheers, I know it.
At Becker. Among my favorites, the Becker Cabernets. Beautifully balanced, they're fantastic food wines. Awaken your palate with these chef-selected pairings. Each bite is designed to enhance the wine's unique characteristics, like this award-winning Cabernet Sauvignon Reserve, paired with creamy brie, fig jam, and earthy truffle honey. And the Becker Viognier, which caught the attention of the man who put Napa on the map, the late winemaker Robert Mondavi. Mondavi purchased the Becker Viognier at the Austin Food and Wine Festival.
And the next morning in the Austin American Statesman, there was a picture of this bottle of wine in his arm. And it was a great thing for us.
No higher praise. I mean, oh my gosh. Have something more hearty in mind? Join the wine club and indulge in exclusive wine dinners featuring entrees like this smoky beef tenderloin, creamy orzo pasta, broccoli rabe, and aromatic au jus. Perfectly paired with the Becker Vineyards Cab Franc. So whether you come for the special wine dinners or just to enjoy the incredible wines, have a taste or two for yourself at Becker Vineyards.
Would love to come back, can't wait for next time already.